When life gives you lovely lemons, make this crispy lemon chicken in the oven. Skin crisps up, the meat stays juicy, and it's dead easy to make. But in France, we can buy roast chickens from butcher shops almost everywhere. So why make it at home? Because bright lemon, garlic and herbs create something completely different. The best bit, the oven gives it that crispy skin and juicy tender underneath. For 2 people, I'm using 2 chicken thighs cut in half. I love thighs, they're juicy and cheaper. Measure out some dry white wine, vermouth or sherry, with lemon, garlic, a little honey and fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. I love tarragon, but today it's coriander or cilantro, as that's what needed using. Even with organic lemons, I always give them a good wash in hot water and dry before zesting. We're using the whole lemon here, so I want all the lovely flavour, not any wax hanging around. Now for the flavour bomb. Just use the yellow zest, not the white part underneath, or things can turn a little bit bitter. 1, 2, 3. For the garlic, I removed the little inner shoot. A French chef friend taught me this years ago. Some people find it easier to digest. Then just bash it with the back of a knife. No fancy skills required. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Try and dodge the pips. And just a touch of runny acacia honey. Not enough to make it sweet, just enough to soften the sharpness of the lemon. Add little olive oil. Now give everything a really good coat. And here's a little extra trick. Tuck some of that lemon zest underneath the skin. Tiny effort, big flavour. And before I forget the herbs, half goes into the marinade now, the rest later. I also sneaked a little fresh ginger today because it worked beautifully with the coriander. Cover it and let the flavours get friendly for about half an hour. Before it goes in the oven, just turn the chicken thighs around in the marinade and finish with the skin up. And of course, don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly after you've been touching chicken. Add the wine and season. Into the oven it goes, no cover needed. That helps the skin stay lovely and crisp on top while the juices underneath become all lemony and garlicky. Look at that. If you prefer a more syrupy sauce, give it another 5 minutes or so. Just keep an eye on it. Ovens all do behave slightly differently. I love serving this with rice to soak up all these juices and whatever vegetables I've got nearby. And if you somehow have leftovers, it's lovely cold the next day with salad and a little mayonnaise. Would you eat the skin or peel it off? If you'd like the full recipe and exact measurements, you'll find everything below. And if you'd like another French recipe, I'll pop one up here for you next.